Logging in, we're sa LRT Redemptorist Station, no, for the LRT event. Okay. Problema, lalabas pa tayo.
Our friends from Sumitomo Corporation, and of course, our hardworking media partners.
Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa LRT1 sa Redemptorist Station for the event. Kanilang 10 years of moving people, 10 years of story. So there's a big unveiling here na pinakita, no, showcasing yung parang collaboration ng private sector tsaka ng government kasi ito palang LRT is government owned pala, and the trains are private sector yung own niya. Tama ba? Parang gano'n nga tayo magkakaintindi ko, no? So kanina, they launched a Humans of LRT exhibit here sa LRT Redemptorist Station featuring yung mga taong involved sa buhay ng LRT1. So for example, they feature the DOTR Secretary, CEO and President of the LRT1, at saka yung mga employee ng LRT1. We have here from the seniors, may family, students, at lahat tayo ay part of the Humans of LRT1. Napakaganda ng kanyang exhibit, parang trying to bring a kumbaga awareness na sama-sama tayo in building LRT1 from back in the 80s until now na nag-e-expand at pinapaganda pa rin kanilang mga service. Although kanina, no, pinakita sinasabi nila kanina na parang may utang pa daw yung nakarang administration na hindi nagbabayad. Parang yun narinig ko kanina. So I think it's one of the way of addressing some issues din na sana ma-resolve nila soon. But that's good though kasi LRT1 is changing, getting better, and maybe soon baka umabot na ito ng Tagaytay. Hindi natin alam in the future, no? So marami pa tayong pwedeng mapapalitaan. So visit this event, visit this exhibit sa LRT1 Redemptorist Station to check out the Humans of LRT, at meron sila yung photo booth dito na pwede ka magpa-picture na to represent yourself as being part of the life of LRT1. So lahat tayo kasama. Meron akong clips dito, no, panoorin ninyo, no, about some of the clips ng event tsaka yung mga speakers kanina from the official of LRT. So to get more information about it. Alright, panoorin itong video.
You are the reason, again, all of these people are the reason why we keep moving. You are the humans of LRT1 to turn a transit system into actually a vibrant community.
Being a PPP project, I recall, kasi ako ang dating board secretary ng LRTA when the concession agreement was approved ng board. One of the board members, cabinet secretary na naging senador, ang sabi niya, though this is a PPP project, eventually yung operations, maintenance, lahat ng sakit ng ulo pupunta na doon sa private concessionaire, still, the government, responsible pa rin niya. Responsibility pa rin niya ang lifeline. So lahat ng resort, lahat ng problema pa rin ng LRTA, problema pa rin ng lifeline. Kasi para lang tayong kumuha ng magtatrabaho for us. Dito, yung two previous administration hindi po nagbayad ng obligasyon sa LRMC. And I'm happy to, again, ulitin ko, to report to say na this current administration from the very beginning, and the instruction, the marching order was for us to comply with our contractual obligations. Magbayad naman kayo doon sa obligasyon ninyo, doon sa kontratang pinasok nyo. Precisely, using some savings ng LRTA and some support from the national government, nakapagbayad na po ang government sa mga financial obligations nito sa LRMC.
Alright, napanood nyo na yung video, no? So let's go back to our show. Ang ating spiel, mag-interview tayo ng mga kilala natin. Alright, let's do this. Si Asi, kami si Asi. Halika dito. na si Asi, isa na rito sa mga endorser ng LRT1. Kitang-kita mo naman. So, nakapadaan ka lang.
Hi guys.
So, anong masasabi mo na part ka na ng history ng LRT1?
Well, nag-start yung pag-LRT namin nung token pa lang siya.
Naku, 80s yun ah.
Pero nilulusot nga ako ng tita ko kasi kuripot siya. Nilulusot ka niya para wala kang ban.
Ang dadaya.
Pero may beep card na, wag po tayong mandaya.
Magkano yung token dati?
10 pesos.
Oh, inabutan ko pa noon is 5 pesos pa. Pag tayuman kasi 5 pesos, pag pupunta ka si Axel, pag pupunta ka ng Blumentritt, parang 5 piso na lang o 2 piso. Parang ganoon eh. So yun, that's the event natin with LRT. Yung si Nicole. Pero si Nicole lagi nag-MRT to. So, kumusta ang iyong buhay with LRT1?
Nasa LRT tayo.
Oh, LRT.
Yeah.
So, umuwi to LRT rin ever since. Kahit sa ilalim ng LRT, naglalakad din to. Ano masabi mo being part of the humans of LRT1?
Well, from grade school to hanggang ngayon, LRT1 user pa rin tayo. Pagbaba mo ng Buendia, Hilpuyat na bus, diretso ka na kung saan mo kailangan makarating. Baclaran Day. Dati Baclaran yung last stop. Oh my
Kung
God.
siya elementary, ako high school. Ayan, nakita ng age namin. So yun, being part of the humans of LRT is everyone, kahit sino ka pa man, kasi ito yung bumubuhay sa atin, sa ating mga everyday na gawa. Alright, tama Nicole? Ayun. So ayun, sorry wala si Aaron dito at di siya nabigyan ng keychain
Ay,
na LRT. Nasaan na yun? Nahanap ko yung keychain na yun eh. So, ba nilagay yung keychain na yun? Nawala ko pa yata.
Is this one?
Ito, LRT1. Ito.
Asa pangalan ko nakalagay?
Ginawa ni Asi ito. Parang part of a fun merchandise. So, hindi to official. Pero, sama ko din sa vlog. Go visit Asi Girl Boutique. Ayan. Ito siya. Meron siyang Central Terminal. Matindi. Sabi ko kanina, pakita sa CEO para sa patuwa eh. So, ayun. Alright, so yun. Just visit the exhibit here sa LRT1 at then to check out the humans of LRT and, mag-throwback kayo, no? So, happy 10 years sa LR Manila, Light Rail Manila Corporation or LRMC for the 10th year celebration being part of the new history of LRT. Ayun, so I'll end on my vlog. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Kasi Asi yun, taas na ng talent fee. Endorser na ng LRT1. Ayan. Bale, may MRT pa. Tsaka PTEX. Ayan. Jump shot! Ito yung pinakamataas na escalator here sa LRT. Ang bilis, grabe. Tek pa ako mahulog. Here sa LRT Redemptory Station. Grabe, ang haba ng ng escalator. Super long. Long silog. At first time ko sumakay ng LRT nang walang card. Kasi guest kami ng Corpcom. At sumakay kami dahil may event eh. So eto, let's go. Nakalaki, ayun. Okay. Nado na natin. Naka-magnet siya. So yun yung feeling pag wala kang LRT card. Nakalibre tayo ng ride. Thank you sa ating LRT admin natin. Kasi galing kami sa event. First time ko sumakay ng LRT ng walang card. Ganun pala yun. May lock yung gate. Hindi ka basta-basta makakalabas. Alright. Okay, Metro Hub. Check it out, yo.